Hey mobile gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're into leveling up your mobile gaming experience the easy way, you're exactly where you need to be. Before we jump into today's tutorial, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new game hacks, guides and updates I drop every week. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily hack method to get unlimited gems in Invincible guarding the globe. No computer, no weird apps, and best of all, no root or jailbreak required. Works on both Android and iOS. Let's get into it. Open up your phone's browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you're using, and head over to the site featured in this video. Once you're there, type Invincible guarding the globe into the search bar and select it from the list. You'll be taken right to the tool's main page. It's all ready to go. Just follow along with me. On the tool page, look for an inject button. It should be easy to spot. Tap that, and the tool will begin syncing with your app. This takes just a few seconds, so hang tight while it connects. Almost there. Before the resources can be added to your account, you'll need to complete a quick human verification. This is just a safety step to prevent automated abuse. Usually you'll be asked to download a free app and complete a short action, like opening it and browsing for a minute. Not sure what to do? There's often a video tutorial right on the page to walk you through it. Once that's done, you're ready to roll. Now go back into Invincible guarding the globe and check your gems balance. If you followed the steps, you should see the boost sitting right there in your account. I tried it myself and had no issues. It worked just as expected. And there you have it, a quick, safe and simple way to stock up on gems in Invincible, guarding the globe using the mod tool. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like and share it with friends who could use the help. Stuck at a step or have a question? Drop it in the comments. I'm always checking in and happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss the next guide or mobile game trick. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your boosted account and I'll see you in the next video.